A company that manufactures food processing machinery was looking to improve their production processes. Ergonomic justification was the goal of the project, along with safety and protection of the machinery in the work cell. In this application, the workers were required to load steel parts into a sophisticated CNC milling machine in a work cell that is 30 feet by 60 feet. The machines were being loaded by forklifts, which was awkward, inefficient, and not safe for workers. A freestanding Gorbel workstation crane was perfect for the application. The customer opted for tractor drives in order to control the speed as parts were moved in and around the machinery. The modular aspect of the crane system was also key in the decision process, as it helped what would have been a tricky installation around the existing CNC machines. The workers' reaction to the new equipment was very positive. They liked the ease of use and the added safety in their work cells.